Have you ever wondered why we get hiccups? These involuntary contractions of our diaphragm can be quite annoying. Interestingly, hiccups are thought to originate from an ancient reflex that dates back to our evolutionary past. Some scientists believe they may have helped our fishy ancestors gulp air or regulate their buoyancy in water. Another fun fact: the longest recorded case of hiccups lasted a staggering 68 years. Imagine living with that for almost 7 decades. While most cases last just a few minutes, some remedies range from drinking water upside down to holding your breath. So next time you get the hiccups, remember it's not just a quirky annoyance, it's a link to our distant past.